Hey there, in this quick video, I'll show you how you can change the name for an HDMI input. Let me show you which one I'll change. I'll press and hold the Home Hub button here to bring up the TV input channels. And I will show you how to change this HDMI to channel. So to do this, what we need to do is press the Home Hub button just once. This brings us to the Home Hub. Now we can use the directional button to go to the top and select the three dots. Click there. Then we go to Edit Inputs. Now you can see it's Chromecast, and what I will do is go down and change this. So let's just keep it simple. I'll now save this. And let's go back home, and I'll press and hold that Home Hub button again. And as you can see, it's now changed to the name I've chosen. So I hope that helps. Let me know what you're going to change your HDMI channel to. Thanks for watching, and I wish you a great day ahead.